Toilet making loud noises is one of the most annoying things that can totally mess with your bathroom vibe and wake up everyone in the house. Okay, so first off, if your toilet is being noisy, start by tightening those bolts under the tank because sometimes they get loose and cause rattling sounds. Next, check the fill valve. It's a common culprit, and swapping it out can seriously quiet things down. You also want to look into installing a water hammer arrestor if you hear banging noises when you flush. It absorbs that shock. Don't forget to inspect the supply line for any kinks or damage that could be causing weird sounds or water flow issues. Adjusting the float inside the tank can help control water levels and stop constant refilling noises. Sometimes just replacing old washers or seals inside the tank parts can make a big difference too. If you're not super handy, don't stress. There are plenty of simple guides online that walk you through these fixes step by step. And remember, keeping your toilet quiet isn't just about peace. It also saves water and avoids bigger plumbing headaches down the road. One of the biggest problems people run into with noisy toilets is ignoring loose bolts, which leads to persistent rattling. Just grab a wrench and snug those up to fix it quickly. Another common issue is a faulty fill valve that keeps running or hissing. Replacing it usually stops the noise and prevents water waste. The third mistake is skipping the installation of a water hammer arrestor when you have banging sounds after flushing. Adding this device can save your pipes from damage and reduce noise instantly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right without hassle. Plus, it gives contractors a real shot at landing work and building their reputation by connecting them with people who need their skills.